Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to open a GitHub repository directly in Visual Studio Code for the web. It's a quick trick that makes browsing and working with source code much easier, especially when you are dealing with large projects. Let's get started. First, open GitHub in your web browser. Find the repository you want to explore. Open the repository. Now look at the URL in your browser. Replace .com with .dev. Then press enter. GitHub will open the repository in Visual Studio Code for the web. Now you can browse through the project files using the familiar Visual Studio Code interface. You can search through the source code, open different files, and navigate through the project much more easily. This can be especially useful when you are working with a large GitHub projects and need to find specific functions, files, or pieces of code. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to open a GitHub repository directly in Visual Studio Code for the web. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.